around the place doing stuff.
Hey, Toy Bonnie.
Well, I think that's it. You should be golden.
No, that's Golden Freddy.
Golden Freddy, yeah, you need to keep the music box wound up. Music game.
All right.
Have a good night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Thank you. See, I don't really remember anything about this place. Apparently, we used to live in this pizzeria, but honestly, I don't even remember that. Not even the toys remember that. But Golden Freddy says he does, and so does the puppet, and so does the Cupcake Crew. That's a bit suspicious, if you ask me. Did someone wipe my memory banks? I hope not. Jeez. But for now, let's focus on surviving, okay? This is quite a nice pizzeria. I wonder what happened to it because we don't live here anymore, obviously. Okay, so I think that old location that you mentioned. No, Toy Chica. That's a bad Toy Chica. Put your eyes and your beak back on, Missy. Uh-oh. Ah, Toy Bonnie's visiting the Paper Pals. That's nice. Saying hello to the Paper Pals. That's nice. I'm sure they can use the company. Oh, there's Toy Freddy. My new and shiny adversary, I guess. Okay.